About to see what I do every day, y'all. Every morning. I gotta get in water and feed them. Every day, y'all. And feed them every day. In the morning. Before I do anything. Before I even eat. My mom want me to feed them. Some water. Y'all. Water. And I gotta refill these jugs back up. Y'all. This bag is heavy. Woo. Okay. Every morning, that's what I have to do. Feed the cats. See the cats eating. That's their water. I gotta refill them jugs up. But my daily routine, my mom wanna make sure her cats eat. They got food, water. Did I eat yet? Hell no. But I brought this other bag out here. And I ain't need it because the last bag of food, that filled all their plates up. So, they got their food, water. So well, y'all. Got to get off here. Wash my hands. Fill them water jugs back up. Let them get cold. Maybe later, tomorrow, they have some cold water instead of warm water. Well, that's all the cats. See all the cats? That's a lot of cats. They know where the food at, know where the water at, they know where to come at. So, this their house. That's where their babies at. This where they be at. They know where the food. You take too long to give them the food, they're going to be knocking at the door. I'm like, hold your ass up. I ain't even eat, chat. You going to eat, but let me eat. Peace.